I'm going to show you the best way of doing a drain, clean, and refill on a hot tub. First thing you want to do is you want to pull the filters. Now we had to turn the power off because of the suction. So we're just going to turn the power back on. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn all the jets on high, and then we want the bubbles. So you're going to put it on high and then make sure all the bubbles, see all the bubbles are coming out? You want that on high. Then we're going to get some purge cleaner. See, I'll link some purge cleaner down below. We're going to pour it right into the filter. So we're going to run that. If it's really dirty, you can run it for about an hour. When you first turn on your hot tub, it's around 20 minutes anyway. Once it stops, then we can drain it, clean it. So for your hot tub filters, you should have 2 filters. They're the same. So you can alternate it. So you're going to clean this, or you can soak it for 24 hours. And I'll link that solution down in the description. But we're just going to clean it off. We're going to spray it and then clean it off. And we're going to put it back in. We only have 1 at this spot. But if you have 2, you want 1 soaking, 24 hours, you clean it, spray it down, let it dry, and then you swap it out. Now, if you notice how he's cleaning it, he's not shooting it straight in. He's doing it on an angle down. Because we're trying to prevent it. We're not trying to push it back into the pleats. We're trying to shoot it down in between the pleats. Trying to get it straight out. So we're going to use a quick drain. That's what it looks like. I'll link it down below. I just find it's faster, and if we have to leave or anything like that, there's no electrical cords or anything like that. And we just hooked a sub pump hose so we can get it out further. So when you buy these, it only has like a short hose. It goes from there to there, that's it. So we connected it. Submersible pump hose. So we're just gonna wait till the 20 minutes is up. So you can clean the tops here, spray it down. So what we're gonna use, we're just gonna use cleaning vinegar. So we just go around, spray it down. We just spray it and leave it, and then we just spray it down with the hose. But in the wintertime, you can use paper towels or just wipe it down. But this is the fastest way of doing it, and it does get really clean. Once it's stopped, then we're going to turn the power off. And we're going to use our quick drain. This is the simplest drain to use. And once it's, one thing about this thing is if you have any debris on the bottom, this will suck it right up. And as it's going down, we're going to spray that vinegar, cleaning vinegar, and we're just going to scrub the scum line everywhere. And you can spray it down. This is like if it's not winter time, you can do this. And you can just spray it down after. So we're almost down. So you just keep on doing that with the vinegar as it's going down. Scrub everything. So on the bottom, we got some dirt, and we're going to clean it with this. There you go. And there's going to be water in the seats. What we do is we use a brush. We can also brush it and get all the water out at the same time as it's draining. So it's draining right here. We're getting everything out of the seats. This is if you have time to do this. So most hot tubs you can do this and it'd be perfectly clean. But for this one here, I think we're going to have an issue with getting all the water out, and there's some stuff stuck I can't seem to get off. So we're probably going to use the shop vac. As you can see, we got a lot of water out of the seats by just using the broom, and it's still emptying. And the next step is we're going to fill it. Keep watching because there's always tricks that you can learn. And when you fill it, always fill it up first, right where the filter is. It's almost full, so we put the filter in because we're up high enough. And we put the pucks in. We're using chlorine pucks. So we put that in. And then we're going to use let's see what you got there. We got a non-chlorine shock. I'm going to throw one cap in. There's a cap right there because this is a standard size hot tub. So I'll throw her in. And that's all we're going to do for right now. Yeah, we're high enough that we can at least turn it on. There you go. Set the temperature where you want it at. And put it at the level where it should be. For this one here, normally, it's going to be just below the headrests on most hot tubs. So for now, we have it set. It's running. We have the non-chlorine shock. We have our chlorine pucks. And you're going to wait till it gets up to your set point or over 80 Fahrenheit. And then you're going to retest and you're going to balance the rest of it. The pH, alkalinity, the hardness. You're going to balance it once it gets up the temperature. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.